Hello everyone, welcome to Vidhigya Explained Series. Topic for today's discussion is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. So we'll discuss about the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. So why this was in news? This was in news because former RBI governor, that is Urjit Patel, has been appointed vice president of Beijing-based Infrastructure Investment Bank. So this is why this topic was in news, because former RBI governor, that is Urjit Patel, has been appointed as vice president of AIIB. So what is AIB? We'll discuss about it. It was established in 2016. So first thing is, it was established in the year 2016. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is a multilateral development. What is this? It is a development bank with a mission to improve social and economic outcomes in Asia and beyond. So one thing that here you can see, it's written Asian. However, it's not its focus not is on not only on Asia but beyond Asia also, beyond Asia. And the name is Asian. It doesn't matter. The membership can be from Asian continent also. The members in Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank are from Asia as well as from non-Asian countries also. So the parties, there were 57 founding members to an agreement comprise the membership of bank. Where its headquarter lies, its headquarters is in Beijing. Beijing. So it is an alternative to World Bank. World Bank also provides loan for development purposes, same way it was created Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. The bank started operation after the agreement entered into force on 25 December 26 after ratification were received from 10 member state holding a total number of 50 of the initial subscription of authorized capital stock. However, this is not important, but what you have to remember is its headquarters is in Beijing. Now, what is the aim? What is the aim? By investing in the aim is by investing in sustainable infrastructure. So sustainable infrastructure becomes very important for the survival of the human being on this planet. Development should be sustainable and it should be also in line with achieving SDG goals. There are 17 SDG goals. Sustainable infrastructure, for example, green energy, greenhouse, and other green infrastructure. So and other productive sector today. So aim is by investing in sustainable infrastructure and other productive sectors today. It aims to connect people, service, and markets that over time will impact the lives of billion and build a better future. The objective is to build better future. And the core is sustainable development. Sustainable development. Now members, so there are more than 100 members now, that is around there are 105 members. So this keeps changing, so there is no fixed data on this. So currently there are 105. Now coming to the largest shareholder, so the largest shareholder is China, that is 26.61, and it has voting right shares in the bank, followed by India, first China, then voting right India, then Russia, then Germany. The regional member holds 75% of the total voting power in the bank. So regional members means those member countries which are from Asian continent, they hold around 75% of total power, total vote power in bank. So this is important. So there are three organs of the government. So you have to remember the three organs, that is first is board of governor, then board of director, then international advisory panel. So this is all about Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. But now again we'll discuss about, since we are discussing, then we'll discuss ASEAN. It's not Asian, it's ASEAN. So ASEAN was created in 1967. It has 10 members, and the 10 members are, I'll discuss how to remember. 10 members are PS, LV, MMT, BCI. So this 10 members, this is Philippines, Singapore, Laos, Vietnam, Myanmar, Malaysia, Thailand, Brunei, Cambodia, and then Indonesia. So you have to remember this short form, that is PSLV. You know what is PSLV? It's a rocket launcher of ISRO. MMT you must be knowing, it's a Make My Trip website. BCI you must be knowing, it's a Bar Council of India. So that's how you will remember, that is BCI, PSLV, BCI, MMT. So this is how you will remember the members in ASEAN. There are 10 members in ASEAN, and do not confuse M here with Maldives. It's Myanmar, not Maldives. So this is the basic information related to ASEAN, and we have discussed about the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank also. So now we'll discuss 5 questions related to this topic. Question number 1. Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank was established in which year? Your option are 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. The correct option is 2016. Question number 2. The headquarter of AIIB is located in which city, or which is located in which country? Your options are New Delhi, or you can say country or city. Your options are New Delhi or India, Beijing, China, Moscow, Russia, or none of the above. So the correct option is Beijing in China. Question number 3. Which of the following country has the highest voting share in AIIB? Your options are here: China, Russia, India, or Germany. The correct option is China. That is 26.61%. Question number 4. Which country is training India's astronaut for Gaganyaan mission? So we have discussed today we talked about PSLV. Therefore, now we'll discuss which country is training India's astronaut for Gaganyaan mission. And the country is, your options are USA, Russia, India, China. So the correct option is Russia. Russia is training India's astronaut for Gaganyaan mission. Question number 5. Who among the following is appointed as Vice President of Beijing-based Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Your options are Arjit Patel, Raghuram Rajan, Shashikant Sharma, or none of the above. The correct option is Urjit Patel. So that's all for this session. Stay logical with Vidhigya, your best pal in CLAT Preps.